Welcome to your dream home in the highly sought after Sunterra community in Katy, Texas. This beautifully designed single-story home features the elegant Chrysanthemum floor plan, offering 3 spacious bedrooms, 2 full bathrooms, and nearly 1,900 square feet of thoughtfully crafted living space. Step inside and you'll love the versatile flex space, perfect for a home office or a playroom. The open concept layout seamlessly connects your living, dining, and kitchen areas, making it ideal for both everyday living and entertaining guests. The Gourmet kitchen is a true showstopper, complete with quartz countertops, a large island, stainless steel appliances, and a sleek modern cabinetry. Your private primary suite is the true retreat, featuring a large walk-in bath and a generous walk-in closet. This home is loaded with upgrades, including a full automatic sprinkler system, extended patio, and full gutters around the home. Located in the vibrant master-planned Sunterra community, you'll enjoy resort-style amenities like a luxurious pool and a lazy river, a beautiful clubhouse, scenic walking trails, and fun-filled parks and events for the whole family year-round. Plus, you're just minutes away from the top-rated schools, great shopping, dining, and convenient access to major highways for easy commuting. Don't miss a chance to make this stunning home yours. Contact me today for your private tour.